Awo we yakupostingira nga oyambadde culture y'embugo mu Lwibara Spice Down Rambika. Nzijukira yali atandise okukola n'omuwala omulala. Were you aware of it?
Yeah.
Wali okimanyi nti Cephcoh alina omuwala omulala?
By then he used to tell me it's content. But niko kunjajinga bafani bange, ba followers. We see ku Cephcoh, we chill those stuff. But me, nasala once okensirike. Ndabe chigenda maso ndabe does really Cephcoh. Ainama akobo nto. Cause I know chenakola banji banga I can't do that. Banji banga mazevo inu chawakola sola chigumikiriza. To an extent, twakola video ne Joey.
When did you find out that Cephcoh was in love with Joey and not you?
We first got some misunderstandings. Now we manage a relationship. And the number isn't blacklist. I was like, hey, what is happening? I slept. Then kumacha, I have a friend. I now contact Cephcoh. And send me a video. Baline Joey. Calling Joey, baby. I was like, hey, what is going on?
Ngabali wakati bali ku TikTok.
No, at home.
Ngolwa china access ku nyumba ye obanga tokyasobola kugendayo.
I think I can't go to his place.
Why?
Because yasoka where I used to know na video na shifting at one place.
Okay, so we are breaking her now. We're now shifting her to a new place.
I knew we were going to shift.
You knew that you were going to shift.
He even showed me we are going to this house. Do you like that place? Yeah, I like that place. But he shifted. Ga
Takubolede.
Chinuma nti Cephcoh yelunjia and inze amfulo movie. So I had to stand up ningenda, yeah. Ningenda ne approaching a Joey. Ninga my Joey. We're all ladies. So what relationship do you have with Cephcoh? Nze gwe yayiso we. Gwe yafuma obuddugavu azufa yitanda bati ndi muddugavu.
Yakuvuma obuddugavu.
N'obumpi bwange.
Yakuvuma obumpi.